All right, today on Uncle Buck's Garage, we are going to put in a
single den head unit.
A single den head unit in Old Red. And you're going to show us how to do it, right?
Yep.
All right, so let's get started.
Tools required.
Tools required on this one. That's it?
That's it.
No soldering gun, no shrink wrap.
Nope.
Oh, he's already, oh, is that how it comes?
Yep, that's exactly how it comes.
All right.
All you need is that.
Let's get started. Right, so the first thing is the pigtail for the factory harness, right?
Right. So we're basically just going to make a at-home wiring harness from here to the factory wiring harness.
And this is all just pieces that you bought.
Right. So this itself is a kit required to go from 1995 to 2005 head unit or radio replacement head unit installs. The bracket around the head unit already is also a kit required to do single dens. They make double dens and single dens, but the company that made the harness and the antenna adapter also makes this bracket. But there's a lot of stuff. The capabilities of this head unit is more than what the harness has. So when you make your harness, you need to pay attention on what wires you're not going to use and what wires you are going to use.
And basically, you're just matching colors.
Yeah. So.
And now, does it come with the adapters already on it?
Yep.
Oh, it comes that way. You didn't put those on.
I didn't put these on.
Oh, okay. So it's just basically a plug, a squish, and a play.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you're just matching colors.
Pretty much.
White on white, blue on blue, purple on purple,
Gray on
and
red, green on green,
and as so on and so forth.
Yep.
Okay. Now, me being the old guy, I just noticed USB ports on the bottom side. Now, what are those for?
So this port's strictly going to be for charging, as dedicated by the symbol above it. But this port is actually input. So once you plug your phone into this, it allows for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay.
And you said that your screen from your phone is going to go onto the screen on the radio.
Pretty much. Yep.
Oh, that's kind of awesome. I mean,
and this is all touchscreen. And me personally,
it's touchscreen too.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's what allows for the autoplay.
What does this cost?
$60.
That's it.
$60.
Okay, and just so you know, there's going to be links to all this, and I mean, he's got kind of selling me real quick. We might have to put one of these in my truck. I'm just saying.
All right, guys. So step one, parking brake on, because you got to go key in, brake on, shifter all the way down. Drop your steering wheel. This whole bezel has to come off. Now, your bezel's off. Okay, now that your bezel's off, right, there's a simple way to get this out. And it's so simple, it's retarded. So we're going to drop this out of the way, right? And there are two clips, right? And there are two clips. You're going to press both of those down. And you're going to pull on this head unit. And it's going to slide straight out. And then on the back side here, there's a clip that comes out, which is the harness and your antenna. Now your head unit is out. Now, with the unit and the wire harness we built on the workbench, we're going to plug it into the in-house wiring harness, and we're going to check for power and all that fun stuff. If I would plug it in the right way. Oh, this goes in your antenna slot, right, in the back, and then your antenna for the car goes in this. There you go.
Now what about the 3 wires?
So these 3 wires are additives you can add on later. But for right now, I just want slide this in. There you go. 10 units in. And then we go power on. We got power. So let's check. Yeah. Hey, Dad, hand me my phone. So let's check. Yeah. So let's check and see if you're working. Of course, you would have the new iPhone.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's charging.
So then we'll go USB. Phone link.
Interesting.
To talk about these latest numbers. EJ, welcome back to Washington.
10 units in. Same way as before. And key on. Drop this.
Could you try again?
Siri's yelling at me again. Put this back on. Check the fitment real quick.
You didn't drop the steering wheel.
Just dropped.
Okay.
Calling me a liar.
I ain't calling you a truther.
No, the line is I ain't calling you for dinner. Oh, I'm stuck on the bottom. So think. Oh, baby. Oh, mama. Sheesh.
Okay, and that's all there is to it. Everything is up and running, back looking normal. Okay, so this is a kind of a sad day for me because the month is over and everything we've done on this truck is finished, from the lights, all the lights, brush guard, tow mirrors. We even pulled everything off the back, and I don't know if you're noticing it right here, but that bad spot is gone. We did that last night because the reason we did that in a hurry, and we used the vinegar, 1 hour vinegar kill on that to paint that. The reason we do that is because he's loading up and going home in the morning. His month is up. He's got to go back to work, back to California. So we're running this. Look how good that looks. That's out of a rattle can. Telling you. So we've done the lights in the backup lights in the tailgate. We did the LEDs and all of everything. This truck is ready to go. We got tonight. He's going to get a good meal, and we're going to pack him up, and he's going to leave out in the morning. So, but he'll be back in the spring because he's got big plans for this truck. He wants to put a lift kit on this thing. It's 4-wheel drive, and it works. And he wants to basically make this thing look like a monster. So he wants it up in the air, and he wants tires. He wants suspension kit and the whole 9 yards. So we'll be back in the spring because he is officially getting out in the spring. And we'll be going over this whole thing again. So if you're still here, like, share, and subscribe. Smash that button, hit that bell. Tell your friends. To be continued in the spring. Y'all have a good day.